How to private Facebook account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To private your Facebook account, firstly launch a Facebook application in your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. Now in here, firstly what you can do is navigate to the three horizontal line at the top. From here, click on the setting gear option. In here, you need to scroll down until you see the option of profile details. Right under profile detail, navigate to how people find and contact you. In this case, you can go ahead and set up to either friends of friends or only me. What you can do to make your private Facebook account is by clicking on the profile locking option. By locking your profile, only the friends that you have accepted the request of will be able to see the content that you post. Also, only the friend will be able to see a full resolution profile picture and cover photo as well. People will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. However, they will not be provided the grant to check out the content. So if you want to create a private Facebook account, the best option is to lock your profile. Click on Lock Your Profile option. And when someone check your profile, they will see such option and they won't be able to find any of the content. So this is how you private your Facebook account. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.